हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? ठीक ठाक हैं। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप खैर खैरियत से होंगे। इस सेक्शन में हम बाकायदा तौर के ऊपर HTML का आगाज़ करेंगे और अब से चीज़ें काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाएंगी, क्योंकि आप जो कुछ भी करेंगे आपको उसको टेस्ट करने का और देखने का मौका मिलेगा। पहले चैप्टर में और दूसरे में तो हमने जो चीज़ें की थी उनमें ज़्यादा हमें चीज़ें नज़र नहीं आई थी, बल्कि ज़्यादा थियोरेटिकल थी। हालांकि इसमें भी थियोरेटिकल होंगी, लेकिन आप उनका रिज़ल्ट फ़ौरन से देख सकेंगे, जो बहुत एक्साइटिंग होगा आपके लिए होपफुली। In this chapter we would learn the following things. First and foremost, we would check that how HTML5 could be used semantically in correct way. Then we would move on and learn some geeky details. We would also concentrate on how to separate the concerns between content and presentation. And at the end, I would explain what is our goal at the end of the chapter, what we want to achieve from this learning experience. First point is how to use HTML5 in semantically correct way. Our goal is to dissect HTML5 syntax, and in doing so, we would try to change some preconceived ideas or notion. For example, you might be thinking that we would create beautifully looking web pages which are aesthetically appealing. We would not focus on making pages pleasing to look at. Rather, we would learn to create the pages which are made by using HTML5 tags in semantically correct way. Our main concern or purpose would be something called semantic purity. If you don't understand that now, I can assure you at the end of this chapter you will be firmly cemented in these ideas. We would also learn some geeky details which in normal circumstances and in normal courses are skipped away. And that means we would not compromise theory over practice. Our method would be a bit more theoretical so that we know why we are using certain tags in certain situations. We would learn about things such as doc types, validations and char set and metadata and other geeky stuff which make normal people eyes glaze over. Then we would look at separating the concerns between content and presentation. HTML5 is huge on separating the concern about content and presentation. We would learn of how to differentiate or separate the work we delegate to HTML5, which is the content side, and work we delegate to CSS3, which is the presentation side of things. In that context, we will learn why in HTML5 tags such as I tag or such as B tag are discouraged and replaced with tags such as EM, which is called emphasis tag, or strong tag, which has semantic meaning to them rather than just thinking in terms of presentation or making something bold or making something italic. Our goal in this chapter would be that we would focus more on the technical details on how to structure the pages, giving them semantic meaning, being able to think more in terms of segregation of concerns in terms of meaning and presentation or aesthetic. We won't concentrate on making pretty web pages as you might think. That's the graphic designer job anyway. Our job is to create HTML pages which are structured in semantically correct way. So our hope is that by the end of this chapter and the chapter on CSS3, we would be able to take any web page and be able to pick it apart. Our hope is to get oriented in the right direction towards learning more and to have the right state of mind and attitude towards diving deep into the web development. In the next video, we will create our first web page. So some exciting stuff is coming ahead. So let's buckle up and jump right into it.